hurts so bad.
Snowy, are you all right?
Mama, I am just so hungry today. This is not normal. Something is wrong.
He's eating everything. What's happening to our son?
It's a giant cat!
More food. I need more. Stop immediately! I must create a cure before Snowy destroys everything. This will force out and kill whatever is inside Snowy. Son, it's me. You must fight this hunger.
Papa, food!
Hold on, son.
That was the cause. It's finally out.
Papa! Mama! I am back!
Greed destroys, but family love can heal.
Always listen to your parents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.